Hello everyone. Today we will continue the chapter number of 5 Chaskit goes to school. As far we reached, what did you learn about Chaskit? Did you read the chapter? Okay. Let's take a revision of that what we have learned up to now. Now Chaskit is a girl. She had some physical problem for walking. Yes or no? Good. She can't go out, even she can't go school also, but her dream to go to the school. She also wants to play with the other children from her village. So she felt bad when she saw her brother stopped on does everything, but she can't. जब चास्किट देखती थी उसके ब्रदर मीन्स और अदर्स चिल्ड्रन डू एवरीथिंग बट शी कांट because she has some disabilities physical problem. So when she felt bad, her father told her that don't worry beta, you are better than means for stitching or drawing you are better than them. means तुम उन आप मीन्स उन लोगों के जैसे हर कुछ सब नहीं कर सकते हो, बट यू कैन टीच और ड्राइंग बेटर देन anyone. So one day her brother means she could not work, so that's why her father one day he bought a wheelchair, and when she saw that wheelchair she felt very happy. She was very happy and she was eager to sit on the that wheelchair, and she thought that now I am also can go and move everywhere by myself. What happened one evening while she was in outside, while returning from school, means in the evening, one of the boy came near to her. His name is Abdul, and he saw that Chaskit is in wheelchair, and he asked her that Chaskit, why are you sitting always in this chair? Would you like to come to school? Do you like to do study? Means तुम स्कूल आना चाहते हो, तुम पढ़ना चाहते हो? Then Chaskit reply, yes, I also want to go to school, but my the way of our school is very critical, very difficult. Dear students, see this image. This is the house of Chaskit, and this is the school, the from the village. And see in between, what is this? One stream is there, means small river, and many rocks are there. So Chaskit can't walk up to that school. So Abdul what he told Chaskit, you don't worry, you if you are interested to go to school, I will do something for you. अब्दुल ने बोला जस्ट इट यू आर इंटरेस्टेड टू कम स्कूल, मीन्स तुम बहुत खुश हो स्कूल आने के लिए, तो मैं अब तुम्हारे लिए कुछ करूँगी। ये बोल के अब्दुल लेफ्ट फ्रॉम हर हाउस. आफ्टर दैट व्हाट हैपन, लेट्स रीड द चैप्टर. The next day at school, Abdul went to see the headmaster, Julie sir. I want to talk to you about a girl from our village. Her name is Chaskit. फिर नेक्स्ट डे क्या हुआ? अब्दुल he went to the headmaster in their school, and he told something about Chaskit, that one of the girl from our village, she is eager to come to school, she is happy to come to school, she wants to come to school, her name is Chaskit. Then what the headmaster replied, look here. Yes, I know her. Headmaster told him that I know her. She is disabled, means physical problem she has. Isn't she? Then means headmaster asked the headmaster. Then Abdul replied, "Yes, sir. She uses a wheelchair to move around but cannot reach school as the path from her home is too uneven." As I shown you that the way of Chaskit house to the school, you can see how much critical is there. Okay, so I was wondering we could help her. Who told? Na Abdul told the sir we could help her. Then sir, since she wants to learn, जैसे वो कुछ सीखना चाहते हैं तो that's why we could help her. We could all get together and level the path. जो ये path संकीर्ण means that uh, that path we can make little bit smoothly. We could also build a small bridge across the stream. Who told? Na Abdul told that on the stream we can make a small bridge. See, look at here. One bridge is there. Now, what happened? You are right, Abdul. Let me discuss this with the other teachers. Teacher said, headmaster said that yes, you are right that we could make a small bridge on the stream. But first of all, let me discuss with the other teacher. The next day, the headmaster called a meeting of all the teachers. He shared Abdul's idea with them. The group was excited about helping Chaskit reach school. When the headmaster discussed about this matter, means ये अब्दुल चाहते हैं एक ब्रिज बनाने के लिए, ये मैटर को जब अदर्स टीचर्स के साथ में डिस्कस किया तो अदर्स टीचर्स ऑल्सो क्या, they were happy to listen this thought idea. They also want to make a bridge and help to Chaskit for reach to school. 2 weeks later mean 2 हफ्ते बाद, the children of the government school gathered in the playground. गवर्नमेंट के जितने सारे स्कूल बच्चे थे सब इकट्ठे हुए एक प्लेग्राउंड में. दे हैड कम विदाउट देयर स्कूल बैग्स. वो लोग स्कूल बैग को छोड़ के ही आए थे. देयर वेर गोइंग टू बी ऑन नो क्लासेस मीन्स उस दिन कुछ क्लासेस नहीं लगने वाले थे, कोई भी क्लासेस. द टीचर्स डिवाइडेड द चिल्ड्रन इनटू ग्रुप्स. Our group worked in front of Chaskit's house and another one on the path along the streams. फिर उन लोगों ने ग्रुप में डिवाइडेड हुए और वर्क करने लग गए. कुछ ग्रुप चस्किट की घर के सामने वर्क करेंगे और कुछ स्ट्रीम के बिसाइड में. देन the older children and the teachers worked on building a strong wooden bridge. Students, you can look at here, they have made a wooden bridge. Everyone laughed and sang as they worked. While working to make a bridge in front of Chaskit's house, they were too much happy and they sang some songs also. Then what happened? Chaskit parents gave hot tea and biscuits to everyone. Her grandparents watched the school's children working. We wiped away a tear that rolled down his cheek. At the end of the day, the tired but happy children returned to their homes. The path from Chaskit's home to school was ready. The next morning, Chaskit could go to school for the next time in her life. When they made the bridge on the stream, now it's ready to go to the Chaskit school. I hope you understood about the chapter Chaskit, how the Chaskit's dreams become true. Okay, and you have written the question answer also. Exercise number answer these questions. Did you write the questions answers? Okay, good. Now B number, write one adjective each for these people who appear in this story. Means these are the people they appears in this story, and what you will do, you will write one adjective. Adjective means describing of noun. Noun के बारे में एक आपको describing लिखना है. जैसे I am a गुड बॉय, आई एम ए गुड गर्ल, तो गुड क्या हो गया, एक एज एन एडजेक्टिव हो गया. तो आपको भी चस्किट कैसा था, कैसी थी, उसके बारे में एक खूबियाँ आपको लिखना है इन दिज बॉक्स में. ओके. देन अब्बा ले कैसे थे. देन मेमेले. देन अब्दुल द हेडमास्टर. ओके डियर, इन दिस इज you will do at your home. Now look at the grammar session. In our previous means many days ago, in our grammar session we have learned about subject and predicate. So here is the descriptions of subject and predicate. What is subject? Let's take a revision. A sentence has two parts, subject and predicate. Subject, the person or things that the sentence speak about is called subject. Means एक सेंटेंस में पर्सन और थिंग स्पीक्स अबाउट, जिनके बारे में बोला जाते हैं, वो होते हैं सब्जेक्ट. एंड प्रेडिकेट, ना व्हाट इज सेड अबाउट द सब्जेक्ट, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट. सब्जेक्ट के बारे में जो बोला जाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड प्रेडिकेट. लुक एट दीज सेंटेंसेस. नाम, Chaskit heard Ammale in the kitchen. What is subject here? Na Chaskit. Then verb heard. Ammale is the object. Next is Abbale brought a wheelchair. Abbale is subject. किसने लाए, कौन लाए थे ना, अब्बाले. मीन्स लाए थे, लाना जो है, brought, it is a verb, it is an action, means it is an action, and wheelchair is a object, so it is called predicate. Now look at the I'm going to read. Okay. In each of these sentence about the word in color is the subject and the other words from the predicate. All complete sentences have subject and a predicate. Subject, the topic of a sentence or word the sentence talks about. Okay dear, you have known these topics, means subject and predicate, before you have learned it. Yes or no? Take a revision. Okay. Now exercise number A or exercise number B you will do at your home. I am going to explain the exercise number A. Now rewrite these words into a sentence in the SVO. SVO means, S means subject, V means verb, O means object pattern. Use capital letters and full stop in the correct place. One is done for you. Have brought a new house, the Mehtas. So the Mehtas have bought a new house. Okay. So next is look at the words in color in the sentences. Say whether they are the subject, verb or object. इसमें जो color करके जो वर्ड दिया हुआ है, ये सब्जेक्ट है, वर्ब है और ऑब्जेक्ट है. ये आपको डिसाइड करना है और आपको करना है. ठीक है. ओके, आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड. थैंक यू एंड हैव ए गुड डे.